Hello YouTube, it's WattD586 here, and this is going to be a short video of my garage door opener, which is the LiftMaster Professional. So yeah, the rest of it will be in the title. So, this is going to be a video of just opening up the garage door. You see I've got the opener right here, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, there we go. The time is in Johnson City, Tennessee. The time right now, it's around 8:15 in the evening. As you can see, it is completely dark outside. Time begins. I remember YouTube. Time goes back 1 hour tonight at 2 a.m. Remember, if you live in the United States, remember it does. So, okay, let's go ahead and put it down, and I'm gonna show you something once it goes down. And I'll turn off the fuse for the garage door opener and the fuse box right there. So let's go ahead and press it. It's closing up. Alright, we'll go to the fuse box. Alright, we gotta find the one that says garage door. Hold on, it takes a minute. Laundry, garage lights. We don't want to turn off the lights. Garage door right there. See, we'll try to open it up. Nothing happens. So let's go ahead and turn that back on. Oh, there we go. We'll test it out one more time. Alright. Really hope you enjoyed that video. That said, that's it.